Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the bushings under your handle knob in the new Shimano Stradic FJ to bearings. First off, we're going to need the reel, a small jeweler screwdriver, a bigger screwdriver, your favorite reel lube. The one that I use is Lightning Lube from Boca bearings. It's very good. It's formulated for stainless steel and ceramic bearings. It's a very light oil, so it allows the bearings to run very smooth. And of course, you're going to need your bearings. You can order these from www.bocabearings.com. The dimensions of the bearings that you need are shown right here. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the cap. If some of you have been watching my previous videos, usually there's a hole in the center of the knob cap. Unfortunately, this is not the case with the new Stradic FJ 3000 that comes equipped with the T-knob. So what we're going to do, we're going to slide the screwdriver under here. We're going to find a ridge. There's going to be a small ridge or gap under this knob, and we're going to just pry the cap off. And there you go, cap's off. We're going to set the cap aside. We're going to see in there is a screw. So we're going to take our screwdriver and remove it. Once the screw is loose, you can just remove the knob. You're going to see there's a bushing right here. And when you take the screw off, you're going to see some spacers in there. Don't lose those spacers. And you can take the bushing right out. Just like that. We're going to set everything aside, and we're going to prep our bearings for installation. Take the oil and just put a drop in each bearing. That's done. The next thing we're going to do is to install the bearings back on. So we're going to take the bushings off, put the bearing in, put the knob in, and put the other bearing in as well. There. The bearing goes over the existing handle knob, the tube, and then it fits right into the knob. The next thing we're going to do is to take the spacers, put it back in, make sure that the copper shim faces the bearing. And there, you can see the shim right on the side right here. Take your screw and put it back in. Make sure that you don't over tighten the screw, otherwise the knob is not going to move freely. After you install the bearings, spin the knob. You're going to notice that it spins a lot nicer and a lot smoother now. So the last thing you're going to do is to put the cap back in. And there. That's it, you're done. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope it helped you. And if you need any bearings, make sure you order your bearings from www.bocabearings.com.